Hey everyone! If you've ever thought about diving into the world of digital products, let me tell you, now is the time. Why? Because the digital market isn't just growing, it's exploding. And guess what? You can be a part of this lucrative wave with a simple one-time payment. That's right, one payment for lifetime access to a treasure trove of digital products. Now I know what you're thinking. Sounds too good to be true, right? But here's the kicker. It's 100% risk-free. You heard me? With this amazing deal, not only do you get instant access to top-notch digital products, but you also get the rights to resell them. Yes, you can actually earn by reselling these products. And here's the cherry on top. When you make this purchase, you're not just getting the digital products. Oh no, you're also bagging some incredible free bonuses that skyrocket the value of what you're getting. We're talking about additional resources, tools, guides, all designed to help you make the most out of your investment. But here's the deal, folks. This is a limited time offer. The clock is ticking. And if you want to get in at this low price with all these perks, you gotta act fast. This is about making smart choices, seizing opportunities, and taking action today so you don't have regrets tomorrow. So, what are you waiting for? This isn't just an investment in some digital products. It's an investment in your future in the digital economy. Buy now, use the products, resell them, and start earning. If you need any support, we're just a contact away. Remember, opportunities like this don't come knocking every day. Grab it now, and let's start this journey together. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on this. This is your moment. Take it. Let's make some noise and some serious cash in the digital market. See you on the other side.